Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Let's continue new subtopic in vector, vector in Cartesian plane. Okay, so let's straight away go to the example. Example 1, express the following vector in the form xi plus yj or matrix, bentuk in matrix form x, y. Okay, x, y meaning coordinate in x-axis, right? Coordinate in x-axis, and y meaning coordinate in y-axis. Okay, let's look A. Determine, right? First, determine coordinate C. So coordinate C start with 6 and 3. So the coordinate C is 6, 3. So how do we express the vector OC? Okay, by using the coordinate and in matrix form, right? So xy. So xy, that means so coordinate x, point x, and coordinate y, which is 3. Okay, this is what I call it as matrix form. Okay, how about ij form? Okay, ij form. So xi, so 6i plus yj. Yj is 3, y is 3, and j. Okay, this is how we perform or express the vector in the form ij or matrix form. Okay, the second one. Okay, what is coordinate of r? Coordinate of r 7. Okay, x axis, point at x-axis, and point x y-axis -3. So 7, -3. Okay, so how to write express in matrix form? 7, -3. And ij, so 7i minus 3j. Okay, this is how you express in ij form and matrix form. Second one. Okay, express each of the vector in the diagram in the form ij and matrix form. Okay, let's look A. Okay, aij. So A, okay, is performed. This is the vector A. Okay, so how many unit in x-axis? So 1 unit. So 1x. Sorry, 1i. Okay, and then second one, 1, 2, 3 plus 3j. Okay, the direction when to the right is positive, as well as positive when it go up is positive, which is when it goes to the left and go down. Okay, meaning it express negative. Okay, this is positive. So, alright, and then based on according to the arrows. Okay, arrows also. Alright, so how to in matrix form? So okay, you cannot write 1. Okay, so the answer is I plus 3j. Okay, in matrix form. Okay, in matrix form, right? 1, 3 for vector A. So how about vector B? Okay, vector B, right? This is the arrow. So this is okay in x-axis and y-axis. So go down 2 unit for y, and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So we can assume negative and negative because go down and the direction to the left. So the answer is negative 4i minus 2j. Okay, in matrix form, negative 4, negative 2. Okay, the horizontal represent the value of x-axis and the vertical is represent y-axis. Okay, don't confuse about that. So and then C, vector C. Alright. Okay, this is how we perform triangle law. Okay, 1 unit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So 6, positive 6 is 6 and negative 1. Alright, so in ij form, so 6i minus 1j. Okay, I write down straight away j. So in the matrix form, 6, negative 1. Alright, how about D? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, so negative 6, and 2, positive 2 because go upward. So vector D equal to negative 6i plus 2j in matrix form. Okay, negative 6, 2. Okay, this is how you express vector in Cartesian form. In Cartesian plane with ij form and matrix form. Okay, And then how to determine the magnitude. Okay, remember the magnitude is the distance. Okay, distance of the vector. Okay, let's say the vector q 9i minus 5j. Okay, by using the formula of distance in coordinate geometry. Okay, so this is how we determine the magnitude. Okay, so firstly, this is okay the symbol. Okay, not modulus but symbol of magnitude. Okay, square root 9 bracket squared plus negative 5 because of x. This is value of x axis and y axis, so negative y axis. 5 is y axis squared. Okay, so calculate by using your calculator. You will get 106 square root 106. Okay, you can let your answer like insert or in decimal. Decimal 10.296. Okay, nearest to 10.30. Okay. Okay, second one in matrix form. Right, so magnitude p. Okay, this is symbol of magnitude. So square root negative 2 squared plus negative 8 squared. Okay, calculate 4 plus 64 square root. Okay, so you get 68 equal to 8.225. Okay, simple. Okay, I hope you understand. Alright, so okay, last one. Determine the unit vector in the direction. Okay, in the direction. So this is the symbol of the unit vector in the direction. Okay, and this is the formula. Okay, so if you can see, okay, this is a vector. Okay, vector any vector, and this is the magnitude of the vector. Okay, so determine the unit in the direction, the unit vector in the direction of the following vector. Okay, number one. Okay, for vector v 12i minus 5j. Okay, first step 1, what we do is we must determine the magnitude of the vector. Okay, 12 bracket squared plus negative 5 squared. So you will get 169 square root equals to 13. And then the step 2, okay, determine the unit vector in the direction of vector v. Okay, this is the symbol. Okay, symbol of unit vector in direction for vector v. Okay, equal to the vector 1 over vector magnitude of vector v. Alright, times vector v. Okay, so equal to 1 over 13 times xi. Okay, xi equal to 12i minus 5j. Okay, you can let your answer like this, or you can expand. Okay, become to 12 over 13i minus 5 over 13j. Okay, last but not least, in the matrix form. Okay, in the matrix form. Alright, so step 1, what do? Okay, we find the magnitude of rs equal to negative 12 squared plus negative 16 squared square root. So 144 plus 256 square root equals to 400. So you get 20 magnitude. And step 2, okay, so step 2, rs, okay, head equal to vector rs divided by magnitude of rs equal to 1 over 20 times in matrix form negative 12 and negative 16. Okay, so you get negative 12 over 20 and negative 16 over 20, so equal to negative 3 over 5 and negative 4 over 5. Okay, you can let your answer like in matrix form or in ij. So negative 3 over 5i minus 4 over 5j. Okay, so this is the answer. Right, so again, to form the unit vector in the direction. Alright, okay, this is the formula. First step, find the magnitude, and second, using the formula, find the unit vector in the direction. Okay, until now, hope you understand. Thank you.